In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix payment not completed on your App Store. So please watch the video till the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So if you try to download an app or make in-app purchases and it shows that payment not completed, what we can do is to go to our settings, and we want to make sure that we're connected to a Wi-Fi or any internet connection. If not, we can just reboot our Wi-Fi. We can disable it and turn it on again. Next thing we want to do is to make sure that we are not connected to any VPN. If we are connected, we want to disconnect. Next thing you want to do is go to the general settings. Now you want to go to software update and make sure that you have the latest version of your iOS. Next thing we want to do is go to date and time and make sure that the set automatically setting is enabled. So after we have done all those settings, we want to go to our Apple ID and you want to go to your subscriptions. If you have any ongoing subscriptions, you want to cancel it or remove it. So after that, we want to go to payment and shipping. Here you want to remove your old payment method. In case you cannot remove your old payment method, what you want to do is add another payment method and remove the previous one. So that's basically it. After this, you want to reboot your phone and that will fix your problem. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.